Hello, breeding farm friends. It's time to control flies again. Flies usually die below 7 degrees. Fly above 15 degrees. The optimal breeding temperature for flies is 22 to 32 degrees. The optimum breeding humidity is 70 to 85%. 2 flies in 4 weeks can breed up to 1 million. It's pretty scary. Now fly is multiplying. Look at this wall. And this feed. Have a lot of flies. Flies can carrying more than 200 kinds of viruses and bacteria. Transmit a variety of diseases. Serious impact. The benefits of chicken farms. At the same time, it also affects the breeder's work and life. So it's very important to control the flies. About fly problem. Every time we see 15 flying flies. Meanwhile, there are 85 flies in the back. They are maggots, or eggs, either pupa. So, while killing the fly, kill maggot is more important. For killing maggots, Luxy have 1% cyramazine premix. Add this to the feed, 0.5 to 1 kilogram for 1 ton feed. Keep chicken manure away from fly maggots. This is a very good way to control fly. 10% ceramazine soluble powder, soluble in drinking water, also can be mixed in the feed, or soluble in water, then spray on the feces. The effect is also very good. We also have 50% cyramazine soluble powder. Add in drinking water, or add in water then spray on flies gather area. Either spray on feces. It's worked really well. That is 2% cyramazine soluble granule. 250 to 500 gram per 10 square meters. Dry scattering on the feces effectively kills fly maggots. If feces to dry, take 500 grams into 10 liters of water. Sprinkle on dry feces. Maggots can be killed. For live fly, which the flying flies, you can adopt this. Black insect clear, dilution at 200 to 300 times, spraying where flies gather, or where the flies land. Spray on the floor or wall of the chicken coop. Is fine, suggest 300 times dilution. This product Luxy Beta, cypermethrin solution, 200 times dilution. Spray on where flies gather, or on floor and wall of the chicken coop. It's great for killing flying. This is 10% Azomathefos wettable powder. This can paint the walls with water, or place in a plate, either coating it on a cardboard, then hang up. Very effective for killing flying fly, because this product has attractive substance, relatively good effect. About this, 1% thiamethoxam wettable powder. Place in a plate. Add water then paint on the wall, or apply on a cardboard. Hang it up. Really good for killing flying fly. Due to add attractive substance in it, the effect is better. Above Luxy products introduced to you. Used for control flies and maggots. Later, we start to application. Spraying, dry scattering. Either place in plate, then let's do it. First, we prepare black insect clear solution, 300 times dilution. Spray on where the flies gather. On feces, on the ground, or on the wall. Okay, next, let's dispensing. Attention, users, when spraying flies, needs to turned off. Or turn down the fan. If the fan is too large, we'll take the spray out at the time. Impact drug efficiency. Please note this. This is 10% Azimuthifos wettable powder with special attractive substance. Put in plate, paint on walls, or brush on cardboard, then hang it. All great for killing flies. This 1% thiamethoxam wettable powder. Also, place in plate, paint on the wall, brush on the cardboard, then hang it up. These two kind of products, very common in China. However, only few can export a large amount to international market. One is Luxi. We can export it a lot to overseas market. Let's application. During application, see one fly fall and die. Those boxes, placed in where the flies gather. Then take time to check. Check tomorrow, or check few days later. Look at the effect. Check the result. This 1% thiamethoxam wettable powder, widely welcomed in the international market. Luxi exports a lot. Today, we came to this chicken farm. Will applying and using this to kill flies. This works very well. Let's start setting up. Spread it over a wide area. Place one in this corner. One in that corner. Here another drug to kills flies. Beta cypermethrin, 5% solution. 200 times dilution ratio. To prepare liquid. Now preparing drug liquid. Then we'll spraying the medicine liquid. Spray on the place where the flies gather. Effectively kills flies. Now start to spraying beta cypermethrin. This is also very good for fly control. This 1-cyramazine soluble powder. Mixed with water. Spray into the cesspool. 10% content. 1 kilogram package. Put into 150 liter of water. Then spray 100 square meters area. Now preparing. Dissolve in small amount of water, then pour in the vat. This might dissolve and disperse better.
Hello, farmer friends. We visit return. Check product's efficacy. Thiamethoxam placed yesterday. It's already been placed for a day. Look at these on the ground. It's all dead flies. This area been cleaned. Look area near our products. Many dead flies. Product's effect is very good. These places, look inside place, also many dead flies on the ground. It's been placed 24 hours from yesterday to today. Such an effect. The fly killing effect of our product shows that it's very useful. If too many died flies, cover the surface, scrape the fly aside, expose the drug, can continue to use. If dry, sprinkle a little water on it. Just keep a little humidity of it. Here's the place where we disposed yesterday. Use like insect clear, spraying flies gathering place at the entrance, exterminating flies, including these wolves, all carried out a unified fly extermination. Now let's take a look. The surrounding environment. Check the current situation of the mosquitoes and flies, including the ground here. Now sees, very clean. Compared to yesterday, only see a few flies, including inside area, only a few in feed gathering places. Very few flies. Just a few. For control fly maggots, Cyromazine soluble powder can mix in feed or oral drinking. Also can add 1 kilogram into 150 ml of water, then spray into the cesspool for 100 square meters to achieve the killing effect on maggots in feces. Effect also very good. Today the 4th day. Since placed thiamethoxam wettable powder, we return again. Check the effective of this product. The ground over here has been cleaned by the worker in the morning, but now you can see a lot of dead fly on the ground again. Here almost covered. If covered, can use a branch or some other tool. Move those dead fly to the perimeter of the box. Expose the medicine. So you can continue to use it. Look at this. It's all full. Those black insects are all dead flies. See here, around ground, a lot of dead flies. Now let's check another box. Check the efficacy of Luxie's product. First see, the box was almost covered with dead flies. User must notice that. Be sure to expose the drug by a tool. Keep the medicine exposing. Let it continue to attract the flies to contact. Move the dead flies to a side. Then look at the around environment. Dead flies around the feed. Hello, our farmer friends. When you choose to control flies and maggots in the farm, choose Luxie's whole fly control program, including Luxie thiamethoxam, Endozomathifos, black insect clear, cypermethrin solution, Cyromazine for maggots in the feces. After the whole fly control program, significantly flies reduce in the environment. Our fly attractants are very effective. Larvicides are also powerful. If you're interested in Luxie fly control products, want to know more about Luxie overall flies control program? Please contact with Luxie sales staff.